All right, guys, I thought Harbor Freight did not put a blade changing or a tool piece in here for you to work on your saw, but they do. It's behind the right side of the saw fence, and it's right there. It gives you a nice little storage place on it. Got your screwdriver basically for your ends to take the screws out of your saw, and it's got the right dimension for your blade to change the blade. So let's get to changing that blade. The first thing we want to do before you change any blade on any saw is make sure it doesn't have power. In this case, it's a plug. In any other case, it might be a battery, whatever. Always make sure there's no power to your saw. Safety first. Unplug it, which I already have. So, second step, lock your saw into place so it doesn't move. All right, to change this blade on a Hercules or this Hercules saw, you're going to lift up, and remember, there's no easy way to do this with the camera. We want to remove, or not remove, but loosen the front screw to the front side of the blade right up under your blade guard. So we're going to loosen that just enough that we can push that black plate up. Now we have access to our bolt. All right, the blade's locked. Keep that pin pushed in. You're going to take your tool that came with it, lift it up, and you're going to loosen the blade, or the bolt, I'm sorry. And take that out. You're going to pop the blade off. Don't lose your washer. So that's how you change a blade on a Hercules saw, 12-inch miter saw from Harbor Freight. You would just repeat the process and tighten this screw back up, and everything's good to go.
When the world gets loud and the pressure's high and a man needs space just to clear his mind, I walk through that door where the sawdust drops and the whole world slows in my little shop.